Hey guys, if you look at Ottawa on a map, you'll see we're smack bang in the middle of Zone 5. What does that mean? It means short growing seasons, humid summers, late frosts, and winters that go on forever. If you look outside, there's probably 2 or 3 feet of snow and minus 10, if not minus 20 degrees. So you can be forgiven if you don't think much will grow here. Alternatively, I like to look at it as a challenge. So my name's Arv and welcome to Let's Grow with Arv. So I started this channel because I enjoy gardening and I've been doing it for a while, but really it's just to record my journey, to track things and see if I can make use of the high tech. My background is in software engineering, so I am a developer by profession, but I enjoy gardening. So I was trying to I'm thinking of putting the science behind the gardening. And that's why you'll see in some of my videos, a lot of them are AI generated, and if there's interest, I'll even put some posts around that, how I do my research and where I get the information from. Let's get back to gardening. It is a challenge here in Ottawa, not just the short growing seasons, but there's so many things that can go wrong, but it's all well worth it when it all works out. And what happens when it works out? Well, let's take a look.